Hey, knowledge lovers! We're diving into a full review of the Selenium Training Course by Edureka, an online program that promises to transform you into a certified automation tester using one of the most in-demand tools in the industry. This course is completely online, accessible from any country, and comes with an industry-recognized certification upon completion. And yes, the link to access this course is right down below in the video description, so you can check it out as soon as you're done watching. Let's continue. What is Edureka's Selenium course all about? This training is built for anyone who wants to master Selenium WebDriver and the automation frameworks that drive modern testing environments. Whether you're a manual tester looking to upskill, a developer diving into DevOps, or even someone completely new to the world of automation, this course gives you a strong foundation. You'll learn how to work with multiple element locating strategies and gain control of your automation environment using TestNG, Robot Class, Cucumber, and Gherkin. These are industry-standard tools used by QA professionals across major tech companies, and mastering them can open doors to roles like Automation Test Analyst, Selenium Automation Engineer, and QA Lead. Skills and tools covered. One of the key highlights of this course is how hands-on and project-based it is. You'll cover core Java concepts, work with Selenium WebDriver, and learn to interact with browsers, handle waits, alerts, pop-ups, and modal dialog boxes. The course also teaches you how to implement various automation frameworks like Data-Driven Framework, Keyword-Driven Framework, Hybrid Framework, BD, Behavior-Driven Development, with Cucumber. And it doesn't stop there. You'll be using tools like Eclipse, Maven, TestNG, Jenkins, Log4j, Cucumber. By the end of the program, you'll have experience working on real-world projects and test cases, just like you would in a professional QA team. Remember, you have the link to the course in the description. What makes it worth your time? There are a few things that make this course a great pick. Live, interactive classes, not pre-recorded videos. You'll learn directly from instructors in real time, with the ability to ask questions and get instant feedback. Lifetime access. Once enrolled, the course is yours forever. That includes all future updates too. 24/7 support. Edureka's support system is truly impressive. Whether you need help with an assignment or can't get a tool to work, they're there for you, day or night. Industry-relevant projects. You're not just learning theory. You're building practical, portfolio-ready work that hiring managers actually care about. Globally recognized certification. You'll receive a certification that validates your skills and can help you stand out in the competitive job market. Who is this course for? This course is a solid match for manual testers who want to transition into automation, software engineers who want to integrate testing into their workflow, freshers who are trying to build a solid foundation in QA, working professionals aiming for better job roles or salary upgrades. If you're looking to become an automation engineer or QA lead, this course sets you up with all the right tools and hands-on practice. Is it worth it? My take. Given the demand for automation testers and the versatility of Selenium with multiple languages and platforms, this course is definitely a smart move. According to industry stats, the automation testing market is projected to reach nearly $50 billion dollars, and Selenium remains the most widely adopted tool in that space. The curriculum is structured, the tools are industry standard, and the learning support is rock solid. Whether you're looking to grow in your current role or land a new one, this course gives you the skills and certification you need to move forward confidently. If you're ready to start or upgrade your career in automation testing, I highly recommend checking out the Selenium Training Course by Edureka. And remember, the link to access the course is right there in the video description, so you can explore the syllabus, check upcoming batches, and enroll when you're ready. Thanks for sticking around, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on great course recommendations. Until next time, knowledge lovers.